Mayadhakshena prakriti swate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagadvi parivartate. They do not see who is behind this explanation. That is their ignorance or poor fund of knowledge. We have got practical experience that no explosion takes place without the touch of a human being. Similarly, even there is explosion going on, but there is a touch of the Supreme Being. That is the statement in the Bhagavad Gita. Mayadhakshena. We are seeing the explosion. That's a child sees the explosion. He does not know that behind the explosion there is the management of a superior being. This is childish observation. Because in Shastra we see that behind everything the hand of the Supreme Being is there, and by our practical experience also we see that matter does not act automatically without being touched by a living being. So how we can accept this argument that the explosion is going on automatically? What is the evidence? There is no evidence. So this is not. Besides that, we have to accept the Vedic injunction, Shastric injunction, not nonsensical theories. If we are guided by nonsensical theories, then we will never be able to understand how things are going on. Panthastu koti satavastha sampragamya vayurathapi manasu munipungavana sappastija prapadasimna avichintatate govindamadi purusam tamaham. You can go on observing one after another by many years. Many years. Just like if you start your jet plane from here to see where is the original cause. Panthas koti satavas. And go on for many millions of years with the speed of mind. Panthas koti satavasa sambhava. Koti satavasa. Millions and millions of years. And Panthas koti satavasa sampragamma vayuratha. This airplane, Vayurath. Vayurath means airplane. There are different speed. What is the speed? The speed is mental speed. Now their speed, say 18,000 miles per hour. But if there is question of mental speed, it is more speedier than the Vayu speed. We have got experience, many thousand miles by your mind you can reach within a second. So with the mental speed airplane, if you start today and go for many millions of years, still it will be not possible to find out where from the explosion is coming. So that is not the way. Therefore, Suti Pramana. Suti Pramana means from the Vedic evidence we have to understand. Now just like in the Vedas, it is said, Jalajana Valakhani. In the Vedas all knowledge is there. All the living entities described fully and with minute exact quantity. Now within the water, we understand from the Vedic literature, there are 900,000 forms of aquatics. That these modern scientists, how many they have observed or studied? But it is said exactly 900,000. Jalaja Navalakhani, Savara Lakhavingsati. Of course, you cannot enter within the water. But on the land, now, different species of plants and trees, and that is 2 million. How many the botanists have studied? 2 million. Savara Lakhavingsati. Even in your country, in your village, you will find daily some new vegetable. You see. So, these are the Vedic calculation. And not only that, there are different species of life and how they are working, what senses are predominant in each and every life. Everything is described. Everything is very minutely described. Therefore, if we want to have knowledge, we cannot do it by mental speculation. We should know that our mind is very, very limited. Simply by theorizing, it is not possible. Therefore, tad vijnanartham sa gurumeva vidachet samit prani srutinam brahmanishtam. So, we have to know from the supreme authority or the Vedas, then the knowledge will be perfect. Otherwise, so original creative energy is coming from this Karanabdhishayi Vishnu. This is confirmed in Brahma Samhita. Jasyaika nishasita kalamathavalamba jivanti loma vilaja jagadannanatha. The Jagadannanatha, here it is also said, Ajanda, Jagadanna or Ajanda. The same thing, or Brahmanda, the same meaning. Aja means Brahma. So, the Brahma is the head of this Anda, it is egg-like. This whole universe is like an egg, Anda. So as from the Anda, from the egg, a bird is coming out. Similarly, from this egg-like substance, Aja has come. Aja means who does not take birth like other human being or animals, but from this Anda. So, Karanabdhishayi Vishnu, another name is Ajanda Sanghasrayanga. His whole body is producing universes. Ajanda Sanghasraya. Sanghasraya means aggregate, congregation. Just like we have got holes on the body, pores in the body, so we do not know even how many pores are there in my body. But it is a fact. We cannot, even in a localized head, we cannot count how many pores are there from which the hairs are coming. Is it possible to count? And how many pores are there in our body? This is a little body. And just imagine Mahavishnu.